Namaste. All we people might have experienced some kind of setbacks in our life. What happens when a major setback happens? Generally, the tendency will be to have lot of regret in our mind, which will totally disrupt your plan and even obstruct and block your path forward. This is a major aspect which decides the progress, the fate, the achievements of an individual. Because once some kind of setback happens, which every one of us has experienced at some time or other, how we take that particular kind of setbacks into your mind, what we do to get ahead, this will precisely decide about the success of an individual. When we scan through history, we are having umpteen number of people who had experienced major setbacks during course of their progress, which might have totally destroyed an ordinary individual. Steve Jobs, Edison, Einstein, all these people, Abraham Lincoln, all these people during course of their life, they experience extremely tough situations and setbacks. But from there, they again went ahead. The major reason for them to get ahead was the belief within themselves. I can handle more. Every one of us, given the right kind of opportunity and belief, we have got the capacity to do more, accept more, achieve more. The only thing which is obstructing anybody to come up to that level is the kind of wrong belief which is coming to the mind. Have you heard of the famous psychiatrist Viktor Frankl? Man's Search for Meaning. That's a famous book written by him. When we look at the history of that person, the sufferings he had, in spite of having an opportunity to migrate to US, he stayed back. Ultimately, this Nazi soldiers caught hold of him and the entire family, shut them in the concentration camp. He lost his father, his wife, his sister. Then, ultimately, when he survived the atrocities of the concentration camp, he was just recollecting and reflecting what happened, why he survived. The major thing which he has narrated, he has found out is the moment you find out one purpose in your life and imagine and immerse for fulfillment of that purpose, it gives you unlimited energy for progress in life, achieve your goal. This is a classical example for anybody who is facing some kind of setbacks and feel totally depressed. Because what happened in the past, never say confirm that your future will also be like that. Past is different, future is different. But the future is decided by what you do right now, what you plan right now, what you believe right now. Dr. Roger Bannister, after becoming the first person to conquer that 4-minute barrier for 1 mile, 1954, 6th of May, what he announced was, he ran that race not with his leg, it was with his heart. That is the value of belief. That is the strength of belief. Once we have that belief, unlimited energy will automatically come. Setbacks will be converted into stepping stone. Breakdown will be converted into breakthroughs. These challenges can be surmounted with your own effort and your own belief. Alchemist, the famous book written by Paulo Coelho, he has given a very important statement. When you need something, when you want something, the whole universe conspires to help you in achieving it. But you have to initially decide and desire and design your destiny that you can do. Many a time, people will be having the tendency to look back to their life and always be unhappy. Just imagine, when we drive a vehicle, can we drive the vehicle by looking at the rear view mirror always? No. You have to do it occasionally, but always you will be looking forward with optimism. Unless you do this, our progress will never be proper. The results of anything will be either the action which you do or the inaction. And what happens at a later stage, when you reflect upon all these failures or success or whatever it is, the inactions will be the major reason for not achieving something. And taking action, that requires some kind of belief, some kind of desire, some kind of positive actions. Many a time what happens, your imagination or your ability will be camouflaged with the emotions. And when this kind of emotion comes, that will destroy everything. Lord Buddha has said, pain is inevitable. Everybody will be having. But suffering, it is optional. You will decide how you will react to it. Any kind of adverse situation, what you will do, how you will react to it. So, my dear friends, please ensure no setback will be deviating you from your target. Setbacks will be there, roadblocks will be there, but from there you may have to learn something, look forward by converting all setbacks into stepping stone. Always with optimism. Any kind of breakdown can be converted into a breakthrough. This simple belief, it will definitely take you ahead and help you to be to your true self. It's a major tragedy if we are not able to explore and exploit our entire capabilities. It can be done only when learn from the setback, look forward with optimism, take every effort and enjoy our life. Okay friends, my best wishes to you. Thank you very much.